I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the line and positioning your body. First, test the reel drag and confirm knot strength. That prevents lost lures once you cast. Next, hold the rod correctly, thumb on the spool for bait cast or forefinger along the rod for a spinning reel, because your grip controls release timing. Once done, place your feet shoulder-width apart with the non-dominant foot forward. This stance stabilizes your weight and gives you a fluid back and forth motion for accurate casts. Now you execute the motion. Take a measured backswing to roughly 1 o'clock if you cast right-handed, which stores energy in the rod without overloading it. Then accelerate the rod forward, focusing power in your wrist and forearm. Release the line at the moment of peak rod speed. Thumb lift for bait cast. Open the bail for spinning, because timing governs distance. Make a low, forward follow-through toward the target. This alignment reduces wind drift and improves accuracy, so commit to the motion rather than chopping it off. Finish by controlling the landing and responding to feedback. Let the lure hit water and reel down slack so you can detect bites. When you feel resistance, perform a firm but controlled hook set to embed the hook. Too hard can pull it free. If you encounter problems like backlash or severe line twist, stop immediately, secure the spool, and untangle the line before continuing, because casting over a tangled spool makes things worse. Practice these adjustments, and you'll improve distance and reliability quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.